Hello everyone, my name is Kelly Coffey and I'm a member of the National PTA Membership Committee. I wanted to share with you a couple of tips on how you can schedule posts on Facebook. This is a great way to save yourself time to plan ahead on what you want to say throughout the month. I am here on the Delaware PTA's membership page, Facebook page, sorry. We're going to go to Publishing Tools. First, it'll bring up all of the posts that have already gone out and been published. When we look at scheduled posts, you can see that I have a post scheduled for tomorrow and for next week. We're going to go ahead and create a post. You can choose to just type in what you want to say. I prefer to either take something off of an email or off of the National PTA website if I'm doing something just generic, or this post talks about joining Delaware State PTA and supporting scholarships for graduating seniors. So we're going to copy and paste. Then we're going to add one of the photos from the marketing campaign. We are going to use a join. This is just a generic post. Not using the one that has Delaware PTA added to it. Then we're going to schedule our post. We'll look at the date. I'd like it to come out on Friday, and I'd like it to come out at 10 a.m. in the morning. Make sure you check your AM and PM to make sure it's coming out when you actually want it to come out. We're going to stay on this page. While that's loading, it typically takes a couple of minutes. We can go ahead and add another post. I have some more verbiage. This one is taken from National PTA. We're going to paste that here. We're going to add another one of the membership graphic that they have provided for us. This one I did customize to have Delaware PTA added to it. We're going to hit schedule, and then I'll have this one come out next Friday. And we'll choose 10 o'clock again. We're going to schedule that post. Stay on this page. Typically takes several minutes for the post to fully get up. If you go to published posts, and then back to scheduled post, you can see it pop up. It also sometimes, even once you see it here, it may take a few minutes before you can preview the post. But once you do that, you can click on the three dots if you have to edit the post. If you forgot to add a link for membership, or want to change some of the verbiage, you can do that. You can also change when you want to have that post to come out. And you can play around with scheduling your Facebook posts.